Welcome. What you are looking at is SeaRoute, a complete shipment tracking and logistics management platform built with Laravel. Whether you are a customer tracking your package, a field agent checking in at a hub, or an admin managing hundreds of shipments in real time, SeaRoute handles it all from one unified system. In this video, I will walk you through the entire platform, from the public-facing tracking page to the customer dashboard, the agent check-in terminal, and the full admin command center with real-time broadcasting. By the end, you will have a clear picture of how everything fits together. Let us start at the home page. Right away, you see a clean, modern landing page with the branding. There is a tracking input at the top. This is the fastest way for anyone to check their shipment status. Type in any tracking number and hit the button. Watch the animation. It walks through 6 stages from booked all the way to delivered, each stage lighting up with a progress bar. When it reaches the end, it takes you directly to the tracking page for that shipment. Next, the services page. This outlines what SeaRoute offers: express delivery, freight forwarding, warehousing, and more. Clean card layout, easy to scan. The pricing page pulls live from the database. Admins can add, edit, reorder, and toggle plans on and off. Here you see Starter, Business with the popular badge, and Enterprise, all rendered dynamically. The contact page has a form that submits directly to the support team. Submit it, and a support ticket is created and emailed to the admin. No third-party help desk needed. Let us create a customer account. Standard sign-up, name, email, password. This uses Breeze scaffolding with Volt single-file components. After registration, you confirm your email. Laravel handles this out of the box. Now log in with those credentials. You are taken to the customer dashboard. This is the customer dashboard. Clean, minimal, gives you a quick overview. From here you can see your recent shipments and any support tickets you have opened. The profile page lets you update your name, email, and password. Standard Laravel Breeze profile management. Of course, customers can also track their shipments using the tracking number on the public tracking page. Here is what a customer sees when they track a shipment. The tracking number is prominent at the top, and right below it are all the status milestones. Each one shows the location, description, and timestamp. Every status update from an admin or agent creates a new milestone here. The customer sees the full history: when it was booked, when it was dispatched, when it arrived at each hub, and when it was delivered. If the admin has map tracking enabled in settings, the customer also sees a live map showing the origin and destination. This is configurable. You can toggle it on or off from the admin panel. There is also a chat panel and payment section here. Customers can communicate directly with support and submit payments for their shipments. Now let us look at the agent side. Field agents are regular users with the agent flag enabled. They are assigned to specific hubs. The agent check-in terminal is a focused interface. An agent types in a tracking number to look up any shipment. Once the shipment loads, the agent can add a status update with a location description. For example, package arrived at Lagos Hub. This creates a shipment update record and broadcasts a real-time event. Because this uses Laravel Reverb and Echo, any admin watching the command center sees this update appear in real time. No page refresh needed. Now for the main event, the admin command center. This is the nerve center of the entire platform. At a glance, the admin sees recent shipments, a map with plotted routes, and the ability to create, select, and update shipments. Creating a shipment is straightforward. Set the tracking number, status, origin, and destination coordinates, and assign it to a user. The moment it is created, it shows up on the map. Select any shipment and update its status, from pending to dispatched, in transit, customs, or delivered. Each update adds a location description and broadcasts the change in real time. The customer sees it immediately on their tracking page. There is also a built-in chat panel for each shipment. Admins and customers can communicate directly within the context of that shipment. All messages persist to the database. The dedicated shipments page gives you a full table view with search, filters, and bulk actions. Click any shipment to view its details or update its status. You can also delete shipments here. Over in Settings, there are 6 tabs: General, Tracking, Crypto, Gift Cards, Emails, and Users. The Users tab lets you create new users and assign admin privileges. But here is the feature we just added. You can now toggle any existing user's admin role with a single click. Click the badge to promote or demote. And you can delete users too, with a confirmation dialog so you do not accidentally remove someone. The system prevents you from removing your own admin status or deleting yourself, so you cannot lock yourself out. Other tabs let you manage gift card types for payments, configure crypto wallet addresses, and toggle email notifications for shipment events. All settings persist in the database with a 1-hour cache. The pricing page is a full CRUD interface. You can create new plans, edit existing ones, toggle them active or inactive, and delete them. Each plan has a name, price, interval, description, feature list, popular flag, call to action text and link, and a sort order. Changes reflect immediately on the public pricing page. The documentation page is a living internal reference. It covers the entire system: queue setup, broadcast events, agent workflow, hub configuration, installation steps, and even company information in case you need to reach the developers. Now let us talk about background processing. All transactional emails are queued using the database driver. The system also has a scheduled command that cleans up old waybill PDFs daily. To handle both of these without needing a persistent queue worker or terminal access, we added a web-accessible cron route. Set your cron secret in your environment file to a random string, then add a single line to your cron tab. That is it. One line in your cron tab. Every minute it calls the cron URL, which runs the scheduler and processes one queued job. No supervisor, no daemon, no SSH terminal needed. Perfect for shared hosting. If a user submits a contact form, the notification email gets sent within a minute. Let me quickly touch on the tech stack for the developers watching. We are using Laravel 13 with Volt single-file components for auth pages, Liveware 3 for all reactive admin interfaces, meaning no heavy JavaScript framework is needed. Alpine.js is bundled via Vite for lightweight client-side interactivity. Tailwind CSS3 handles all styling for a fully responsive, dark-themed UI. We use SQLite in development, though it is flexible for any production database. Laravel Reverb handles our WebSocket broadcasting for real-time status updates and chat. We have a database queue driver for job processing like emails and notifications, and Spady Media Library for file uploads like logos and waybills. Finally, Pest is used for testing. We have 79 passing tests with 260 assertions covering admin operations, tracking, pricing, user management, and more. Every single change is tested. And that is SeaRoute, a complete logistics platform from public tracking to admin command center, all built with Laravel. If you need a custom platform like this for your business, reach out to Rapid Flip Ltd. You will find the contact details in the admin documentation. Thanks for watching.